Hello, everyone. This is Don Cooper. I'm the CEO of Innovator Industrial Services, and I'm your host today on this API 653 new repair methods webinar.
Now, top coats can vary based on the requirements. If it's internal application, we want to make sure that all of the system, including the top coat, is compatible with the service. So we have to look at the temperature, what's inside of the tank, broken out by chemical and concentration, and confirm via testing that the system is compatible for operating inside of that environment. So your top coats are likely going to match what's inside of the tank. There's additional QA, QC steps that can be taken, such as holiday testing, to determine you have a permeation-free liner. Now, if it's on the exterior of the tank, typically UV coatings are applied, and that's more for aesthetics and consistency with the original look of the tank.